Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Afreen Mahari. In today's video, we'll see about poets, essayists, novelists, dramatists, and their books or poems, lessons, and books, poets or authors. Let's see from the AP textbooks, 3rd class to 10th class. In this video, next, see the swing. I don't need to. I don't need to. I don't need to say the poem lesson. You can see here they have given in brackets. So let's see the swing. Robert Louis Stevenson. These names are weird. The wheels on the bus. Verna Hills. Here is the poem or lesson name. Here is the poet or author name. These two are, I don't mention in every line. You should understand it. I'll first read the poem or lesson name, next the poet or author name. Next, The Moon. Eliza Lee Cabot Fallen. The Little Plant. K.L. Brown. The Kitten at Play. William Wordsworth. Kind Words. Henry W. Longfellow. The Rain. Tiruvallur. The Rainbow. Christianita Rossetti. Written in March, William Wordsworth. Kalam with Children, APJ Abdul Kalam. Paperboats, Rabindranath Tagore. Vemana Poems, C.P. Brown. We Shall Overcome, Martin Luther King. Who Did Patrick's Homework? I think who did Patrick's homework? A house, a home. I have told the poet details, occupations, etc. in the last video, so please check it out. Who did Patrick's homework? Coral More. A house, a home. Lorraine M. Halley. The Kite. The Kite. Harry Penn. Thoreau's Reward. A Japanese story retold. The Quarrel. Erle Fagion. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Obviously, everyone knows Kalpana Chawla. Adapted from Span, January or February 1998. Beauty. E. Yo Shure. A Different Kind of School, E.V. Lucas. All But Blind, Walter de la Mare. Where Do All the Teachers Go? These two also have told where do all the teachers go, and the wonderful words, where these two poets names etc have told where do all the teachers go. Peter Dixon. The Wonderful Words, Mary O'Neill. These are the poems and lesson names and the poets. Let's see the next poems and poet lesson names etc. I don't know. Next we'll see Fair Play. This is the lesson. This Premchand story also I have told in last video. Go and check. Vocation also I have told. Rabindranath Tagore. They have given the class page number also in this. Let's see with them also. Fair Play, Premchand, retold. 6th textbook, page number 82. Vocation, Rabindranath Tagore, 6th textbook, page number 88. The Banyan Tree, Ruskin Bond, 6th textbook, page number 98. The Friendly Mongoose, a story from the Panchatara, 6th supply, page number 4. The Stephart's Treasure and Iranian Folktale, 6th supply, page number 7. The Monkey and the Crocodile, a story from the Panchatara, 6th supply, page number 16. The Monkey and the Crocodile, Lights Out, Edward Thomas, 6th supply, page number 23. A Pact with the Sun, Zakir Hussain, 6th supply, page number 24. 3 questions, Leo Tolstoy, 7th class, 7th textbook, page number 7. A Gift of Chappals, Vasanta Surya from Mirdu in Madras, Guru Chaka Turns Up, 7th textbook, page number 18. Quality, John Glassworthy, simplified and abridged, 7th textbook, page number 71. Trees, Shirley Bearer, 7th textbook, Page number 684. Expert Detectives. Sharda Dwivedi from the Broken Flute. 7th textbook. Page number 85. I don't need to say the page numbers, you just see it, okay? The Invention of Vita Wong. Rolled he from Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. 7th textbook. Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Kit Wright. 7th textbook. Garden Snake. Muriel L. Sony. 7th textbook. Meadow Surprises. Lois Brand Phillips. 7th textbook. Busy World. Francis Gorman Research. 7th textbook. Busy World. Bringing Up Kari. Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. 7th supply. Golu Grows a Nose. Rudyard Kipling Simplified and Abridged. 7th supply. Chandini Le. Zakir Hussain. 7th supply. The Bear Story. Axel Munthe. 7th supply. A Tiger in the House. Ruskin Bond. 7th supply. An Alien Hand. Jayant Narlikar. 7th supply. The Best Christmas Present in the World. Michel Morpurga. 8th textbook. 7th class khatam. 7th class completed. An Alien Hand. Jayant Narlikar. 7th supply. The Best Christmas Present in the World. I have told this. The Ant and the Cricket. Adapted from Aesop's Fables. 8th textbook. Geography lesson. Zulfikar Ghosh. 8th textbook. Let's see some more poems, lessons, or poets, authors. Next, Glimpses of the Past. S.G. 7th, 8th textbook. Macavity, The Mystery Cat. T.S. Eliot. 8th textbook. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Satyajit Ray. 8th textbook. The Last Bargain. Rabindranath Tagore. 8th textbook. The Sumit Within. H.P.S. Ahluwalia. 8th textbook. The Schoolboy. William Blake. 8th. The One Furrow. R.S. Thomas. 8th. This is Body Swan. Margelo Kinner Rawlings. 8th. A Visit to Cambridge. Firdaus Ganga from Heaven on Wheels. 8th. When I Set Out for Leonis. Thomas Hardy. 8th textbook. A Short Monsoon Diary. Ruskin Bound. 8th textbook. On the Grasshopper and Cricket. John Keats. 8th textbook. The Great Stone Feast. Nathaniel Hawthorne. 8th textbook. How the Camel Got His Hump. Short story. Rudyard Kipling. 8th supply. Children at Work. Geeta Wolf. Anushka Ravinshkar. Urjit Singh. 8th supply. The Shellfish Giant. Oscar Wilde. 8th supply. Okay. The Treasure Within. From a recent newspaper report. 8th supply. Princess September. Somres Mogiam. 8th supply. The Fight. Ruskin Bond. 8th supply. The Open Window. Saki. 8th supply. Jablis. Ahmad Nadeem Qasmi. 8th supply. The Comet I and the Comet 2. The Comet 1 and the Comet 2. Jayant Narlikar. 8th supply. The Fun They Had. Isaac Asimov. 9th. The Road Not Taken. Robert Frost. 9th textbook. The Sound of Music. Deborah Cowley. 9th textbook. Wind. Subramanya Bharati. 9th textbook. The Little Girl. Catherine Mansfield. They have not given the textbook and not given the page number. Leave it. Rain on the Roof. Kotte Skinny. 9th textbook. Next we'll see some more and end the video. Next, The Lake Isle of Infree. William Butler Yeats. 9th. The Snake and the Mirror. Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. 9th. A Legend of the Northland. Phoebe Carey. 9th. My Childhood. APJ Abdul Kalam. 9th. No Men Are Foreign. James Kirkup. 9th textbook. Reach from the Top. Santosh Yadav. 9th. On a Killing Tree. Give Patel. 9th. Trees. Joyce Kimler. 9th. Kathmandu. Vikram Seth. 9th. Islam Blood Did My Spirit Seal. William Wordsworth. 9th. Fear No More. William Shakespeare. 9th. If I Were You. Douglas James. 9th. The Lost Child. Short story. Mulk Raj Anand. 9th. The Adventures of Toto. Short story. Ruskin Bond. 9th supply. Ishwaran the Storyteller. Short story. R.K. Lakshman. 9th supply. In the Kingdom of Fools. A.K. Ramanujan. 9th supply. The Happy Prince, Oscar Wilde, ninth supply. Weathering the Storm in Erasama, Harsh Mather, ninth supply. The Last Leaf, short story, O. Henry, ninth supply. The House is Not a Home, Jan Godiusio, ninth supply. The Beggar, author, Chikwo, ninth supply. Till here we have completed ninth class. Next we will see the 10th class. Every success story is also a story of great failure. Shiv Kera, 10th. I will do it. I don't know why, but I have learned these lessons in my 10th. I will do it. Sudha Murthy, 10th. The Dear Departed, William Shantley Houghton, 10th textbook. The Brave Potter, Margaret Seek, 10th. The Journey, Yeshe Dorje Tongchi, 10th textbook. Once Upon a Time, Gabriel Okra, 10th textbook. What is my name? This was my favorite lesson in English. So where I was, what is my name? This lesson was very funny. She forgot her name also when doing household works. This was my favorite lesson. Or Will the Dreamer Wake? Meadow Traveler, 10th textbook. My Childhood, APJ Abdul Kalam, 10th textbook. These were the poets lessons or a poet author class page number. From 6th class to 10th class of English, we have learnt poets names, what were the poems or lessons they have written, and the class page number, obviously. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Afreed Mahiri. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.